Alright, we're gonna show you how my Jeep won't start. It's September 10th, a little after 5:12, and just came out of the grocery store. So let me show you, we're in park. Put the key in, turn the key, and nothing except some lights flashing, and check engine light will go on, but it won't throw a code because the service station can't pick up a code. Okay, so we'll turn off, let it sit for a second, take the key out, go back, just try it again here. It won't start. So gotta get this fixed. This has been going on now for a while. It has less than 2,000 miles on it. 2018 JK Unlimited. Such a frustrating situation. Started around 300 or 400 miles, and hardly put any miles on it. It just won't start. Hard to drive a vehicle that won't start.